In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Facebook login devices. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook and next hit menu icon at the bottom right. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. And next here tap on Settings. Now hit Password and Security, and there you are able to see where you are logged in. You can tap here at See All to get all the list of where you are logged in, all the devices, and here you see the device, location, app that was used, and the exact time of your last login. You can tap here on three dots icon and, for example, if you want, you can log out from the specific device, or you can tap here on log out of all sessions to log out of all sessions. So that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.